guys, and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So today we're gonna be doing an unboxing. I got my Boxycharm yesterday. I got it right here, and so that's what we're gonna do today. So let's get to the video. I haven't opened it. I've been waiting literally to do this video. Like, no, I'm not gonna open it yet. I'm not gonna open it yet. Don't mind my hair. It's in a messy bun. Excuse me, my bad. I've been doing a little errands here and there, but that's not part of the video. So let's get into the box. Oh, I'm so excited. I did see sneak peeks already on Instagram, and they taped this really good. So I'm guessing like there's tape everywhere. So I'm wondering if I got like something big that kind of didn't fit in the box or something. But we'll see. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so if you want to sign up for the Boxycharm, there's gonna be a link in the bottom, the description box, just in case if you want to get to. It's not a like I don't know what to call it, but it's not one of those. It's just like if you want to sign up, and it's $21 a month, and you could upgrade every 3 months. I think it was. You could get like the Boxy Lux, and so that's next month. So hopefully, I could get that. But first thing I see when you open the box, it looks like this, and you get this little pamphlet thing. It says make waves, and then in the back it has like all the stuff that comes in the box, and then I'll read it off and tell you how much it is. So first thing I see, which I was glad I got it because this is what I was looking for, because it's a sneak peek that I seen. It is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. And it's right here. This is what it looks like. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That's what it looks like. If I'm like flashing you guys. I like that. Packaging is so nice. Okay, so this Glam Glow is, let me see. So Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser with $28. Ooh, I'm excited. I don't really own any skincare because I'm just getting into it. Like, if anything, I just use my shoot, I don't even know what it's called. I forgot what it's called. But so opening the packaging, wow, that's like a full size. And then, by the way, this is all full size products, and it's amazing because this alone is just $28. You just paid full price for $21. It's amazing. So what this is the packaging looks like. So this is a cleanser. Awesome. Sorry, I had to smell. I thought it had like some type of scent to it, but it don't. Yeah, I don't. But this is what it looks like. Oh, I can't wait to use this. I'm excited. Put that over here. The next thing I see is this. Is color shifting pigment. I got the shade Cupid. I don't know if you can see that. And then this retails for, what is it? Oh, I was reading the wrong part. Okay, so this is an eye luster cream eyeshadow. So this retails for $22. And like I said, I got the shade Cupid. So let's pop it open and see what it looks like. That is so gorgeous. It's like, I don't know, you know, the color that is showing on the camera is not the actual color. It's like a lighter shade. Like on the camera looks darker. I'm gonna swatch this real quick on my hand. That is so gorgeous. And then that's what the shade looks like. You see that? That is gorgeous. I like that shade. Ooh. Cream eyeshadow. Never tried any of these, so I'm excited to test this out and try a new look. Oh man. Okay, so this was already open. I don't know. It's Vintage Lip Pencil in the shade Mocha. Give me a second, see if I can find, there it is. Okay, so it was already open. That's kind of messed up. But this is what it looks like. It's a vintage lip pencil in the shade Mocha, and this retails for $21. Boom, $21 just for the box. I'm gonna swatch it. Okay, it's a pretty nice nude color. Okay, I could dig that shade. I dig it. I dig it. And it's right there. Sorry. That's the shade right here. Don't mind my nails. I need to get them redone. But that's the shade right there. That's cute. Next thing I see is Steve Laurent. This is what it looks like. Oh, this is what it looks like. There. This retails for $22. Oh, it's a lip gloss. I was trying to figure out what it was. I got the shade Posh. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. There you go. Let's crack it open. I opened it upside down, like always. Anyways. Oh, that matches the lip liner. This is what it looks like. Yeah, okay. Wish swatch. Ooh, cute. Oh, it's like a, I don't know. I feel like that's a little lighter than the lip liner. That's cute. I actually like that. Let's see. I already had like a lipstick on. Ooh, okay. I like this. I really do like this. Alrighty. Put that back in here. And that's 4 items right there so far. Next thing you know, the last thing in the box is all the way on the bottom. It's all nice and, see? Which I'm glad, because usually when I get like a Boxycharm, usually like my eyeshadows are cracked. Or like a blush or something, which really sucks, but it's okay. So this is Lamar. It's a color blush trio. This retails for $22 as well. It's taped, so I gotta kind of cut that real quick. Oh, yes. Look, you guys. Look how gorgeous them colors with. I could really see myself using maybe these. I don't know about this one, but I know for sure like the peach color. Maybe this color. That is really nice. Okay. I dig it. I dig it. Should we swatch? So let's go. Okay, you know what? I'm not even gonna try to pronounce these. I'm not sure what that shit is right here. So let's do it. Ooh. There's that one. It's like, that's the like the peach coral looking one right there. That is pretty. I really like that. Second shade. There it is. Ooh, I like that color too. See, like I feel like it won't show up on my skin tone color because I'm getting tanner, and if I'm not matching, I need a new shade of foundation. But I try to make it work. But that's that shade right there. And then the last one is the darker looking one. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. Look at that. Okay, I still got swatches. Sorry about that. But that's that shade right there. Oh, that is gorgeous. You know what? I love the box. I really do. I really glad that I got something that I could actually use and wear, because sometimes the stuff that I get in Boxycharm, I don't really use as often. There's like a little giveaway thing already that I started for the future. When I decide to do a giveaway, and most of the stuff is already in there. Then that's from Boxycharm. I hope nobody minds, you know. But I really love this box. Like this, I could actually use. the shades that I would actually put on my face. I mean, obviously today I don't got no, it's just a like an everyday makeup look that I'm wearing today, and I'm not wearing any blush, but that would be something I would actually wear, just as like the eyeshadow is something I would do on my eyes. I'm really glad I like this. I really love the shade. A nude, you can never go wrong with like a nude lip liner. The only thing that really sucked about it, was that it was already open. I mean, the box was sealed, so I don't think there's like, I don't know, any germs or anything, but I really love this shade. I also really love the lip gloss. I don't really use lip gloss. My first time using lip gloss, I think, in like a while, and I'm actually really loving this shade as well. It's like a nude color, you know, it kind of like just seems like it's my actual lip color, you know, and I really like it. I would actually wear this like an everyday lip gloss. And the most exciting thing that I was really excited about when I seen the sneak peeks was the Glam Glow. And to actually give it a try and actually start getting into like a skincare routine, I'm really excited. And it's a cleanser, so I'm like really excited. Oh, I was so stupid. It's fragrance free while I was trying to smell it. Oh my goodness. So it's conditioning, deep cleanse, and face makeup removal. Oh, I didn't read that. I'm even more excited now. But yes, oh my goodness, I'm so happy about how my box is. I'm really excited that I got this box for the month of May. Oh, I forgot to say that in the beginning of the video, but oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to tear these things out. And if you like this video, please give me a like and comment down in the comment section. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.